All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth. My two front teeth. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. Hey, 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 hey. Hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan my Ari fam. This is Katie from the One Big Ari family coming back with another video. How y'all doing? What's going on? What's popping? Now, we all have insecurities, right? Yeah, we do. We all have insecurities. We just try our best not to show them. And of course, insecurities is basically like a lack of confidence or uncertainty because of our experiences. My insecurity was, and still is to a lesser extent, my teeth. Yeah, I have recently addressed this, and let's just say the cost to do it in Japan. Cost to do what? I'll get into that. But the cost to do my procedures on my mouth, my teeth, is absolutely shocking. All right, so let me just give you a backstory. When I was about 6 or 7, I was playing with my little cousin. We were jumping over a wall, back and forth. I hit my leg, my toe against the wall, and I fell on my face. So I fell on my front teeth. Luckily, my mom rushed me to the dentist urgently because I would have lost them. I didn't lose them, but one of them is the one on the. I'm not gonna tell you. Let's guess after I tell you what I did. So it was basically spoiled, and the root died over time, and it became discolored. I tried to fix it over and over in Jamaica. The dentist tried what's called a root canal, but it didn't work because the root is basically dead, right? So in the end, I was referred to a specialist, and the cost for the x-ray to determine what's gonna happen, what procedure can happen, they would have to do a cap or something, was 25,000 at the time, and I couldn't afford it, being a full-time full-time student at the university. I didn't have student loan, so you can just imagine, couldn't afford it, So fast forward to 2020, I found a dentist. They could speak a little English, and I decided that, this looks like somewhere that I could try something. I didn't remember about the spoiled tooth, but I went there to clean my teeth, and I liked the price. It costed about 2,500 yen, which is something like $20, right? So when I went there, the dentist looked, and he suggested that he could check to see if a root canal can be done, and if it cannot be done, he will provide a cap for the tooth. I was excited because, I've been trying to do this all along for years. Okay, so I said, of course, yes. We checked, and the cost for the x-ray was 200 yen. Less than $1. I was like, what? Let's do this. So that's when it started. He examined it, and he said, okay, we're not going to be able to do a root canal. We have to use a cap. So what he did was to drill the tooth, and he provided a temporary cap, and I had to go back. Now, the temporary cap was kind of funny because I figured maybe they did it that way to make sure that I returned to get the permanent one, because I didn't pay the full price. I only paid what I had to pay for the cap, for the temporary one. So yeah, I got it. And if you look at some of my videos or live videos. I'm not sure if you noticed, but because I know it is my insecurity, it was just so obvious to me that the tooth was a little bit longer than the others, and it looked so funny. I couldn't wait to go back for the permanent cap. When I went back, he made it, and it was really, really nice. I'm gonna show you, and you couldn't tell that it's actually a cap. And all of that costed, drum roll please, less than 1,000 US. Less than 100 US. What am I saying? It costed less than 10,000 yen. I kid you not. And I could just flabbergasted, honestly. So of course I went back and I dealt with all my cavities and whatever, and did my fillings and all those nice things. So you know who will be going back for their 6-month cleaning and all, and anything else that your girl wanna address for this insecurity. But guess what? Stay tuned, because I have more to share about the things I do in Japan and how I survive. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay airy. Boom bang, I'm out.